When it comes to heavy-duty trucks, Chevrolet has always been a major player, and the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD continues the tradition with more capability, more technology, and a stronger presence than ever before. Designed for drivers who demand serious towing power, rugged durability, and modern comfort, this latest Silverado HD aims to set a new benchmark in the heavy-duty pickup segment. From the very first glance, the 2027 Silverado 2500 HD makes a bold statement. The truck features an aggressive front fascia with a larger grille, redesigned LED headlights, and a more sculpted hood that emphasizes its muscular character. Chevrolet has refined the overall design while maintaining the tough and commanding appearance that Silverado HD buyers expect. The front end looks more purposeful, and the updated lighting signatures give the truck a modern and premium feel. Moving along the sides, the Silverado 2500 HD showcases its massive proportions with strong body lines and a confident stance. New wheel designs and additional trim options allow buyers to personalize the truck according to their preferences. Whether configured as a work truck or a premium daily driver, the Silverado HD carries an unmistakable road presence. At the rear, updated taillights and a refined tailgate design improve both style and functionality. Chevrolet has also enhanced bed access and cargo management features, making it easier to load and secure equipment. Step inside, and the improvements become even more noticeable. The 2027 Silverado 2500 HD offers a significantly upgraded cabin that balances practicality with comfort. Higher quality materials, improved fit and finish, and a more modern dashboard layout create a more upscale experience. The large digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable information, while the expansive infotainment display serves as the centerpiece of the cabin. The latest infotainment system delivers faster response times, enhanced connectivity, and seamless smartphone integration through wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and available Wi-Fi connectivity ensure that drivers and passengers stay connected on every journey. Depending on the trim level, buyers can enjoy premium leather seating, real wood accents, and advanced climate control features. Comfort remains a key strength of the Silverado HD. The spacious cabin offers generous headroom and legroom, especially in crew cab configurations. Rear seat passengers benefit from improved seating comfort and additional storage solutions. Whether the truck is being used for long-distance towing, job site transportation, or family travel, the interior is designed to keep everyone comfortable. Under the hood, the 2027 Silverado 2500 HD continues to offer powerful engine options tailored to demanding workloads. The standard gasoline V8 delivers impressive horsepower and strong acceleration, while the legendary Duramax Turbo diesel V8 remains the choice for maximum towing and torque. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission, both powertrains provide smooth power delivery and confident performance under heavy loads. Towing capability remains one of the Silverado HD's greatest strengths. Chevrolet has further refined its towing technologies, making it easier than ever to haul large trailers, boats, and equipment. Advanced trailering systems include multiple camera views, trailer monitoring features, integrated brake controls, and intelligent towing assistance. These technologies help reduce driver stress and improve confidence when handling heavy loads. Ride quality has also seen notable improvements. Engineers have enhanced suspension tuning to provide a smoother and more controlled driving experience without sacrificing capability. The truck feels stable on highways, composed on rough roads, and remarkably comfortable for a vehicle in the heavy-duty category. Steering response and braking performance have also been refined to improve overall driver confidence. Safety is another area where the 2027 Silverado 2500 HD shines. Chevrolet equips the truck with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies. Features such as automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross traffic alert help provide additional protection for drivers and passengers alike. As for pricing, the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD is expected to start at around $48,000 for base models, while higher trims equipped with premium features and the Duramax diesel engine could exceed $85,000. Although it represents a significant investment, buyers receive exceptional capability, advanced technology, and proven durability in return. Overall, the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD delivers everything heavy-duty truck buyers are looking for. It combines rugged capability, impressive towing performance, modern technology, and premium comfort into one highly capable package. Whether you're towing massive loads, tackling demanding jobs, or simply looking for a truck that can handle anything life throws your way, the new Silverado 2500 HD stands ready to meet the challenge.